Today we will try to sleep in a F2 French army tent in 2 persons. We'll see, is it comfortable or not?
Who is on duty today?
I am on duty today. And yesterday in the evening I have modified the tent with a mosquito net, and it's mounted with the Velcro strips. Air mattress, also Kyiv, maybe I think Decathlon brand, which is made in France. Yes, it's French brand. And also sleeping bags, the same brand. Evening we will have salmon steaks, or maybe fillet, I think. Yeah, it's more right to say fillet. And for the morning I think I'll cook some kind of a soup.
But this is the third location that we discovered, and we came back here because we left it. You wanted to leave it.
Are you hungry?
I'm starving.
You are starving. Starvation is dangerous for the relationships. Давай залупимось в дёшло.
Боже, ти ж таке говориш, як ідіосно.
Коряга дерев'яна.
Раз, два, три. Який там стакан, я не знаю.
Якщо я це змонтую, то люди будуть думати, що ми грибів наїли.
Так, а що це? Ну, ти просто сам захотів ось цю фотографію зробити, бо тобі видали, що це красиво. Що це таке? Ти помітив, він спочатку був прям отут. І тут така була коротка місячна доріжка, а зараз вона вже аж сюди сягає.
Що думаєш стосовно цих звуків?
Мені вони не подобаються.
Мені здається, це лисиця. Have you enjoyed the night?
I slept well. And you?
Not so well. It was a bit cold from the sides, especially from that mosquito holes.
Mosquito holes?
I was afraid of wild animals or people, wild people. A lot of sounds were in surrounding during the night, so I slept not so good. But Olena was sleeping great and now still doing that in the tent. My conclusion that this tent is great for 2 persons. I highly recommend modifying it with a mosquito net or just buy a commando version of this tent. It already comes with a net, but only with 1 entrance.